Hi guys! For today's video, we're going to Bosay Resort. Bosay Resort is located at Antipolo, Rizal. We're going to celebrate my uncle's birthday. As you can see, we're now in Lilac Street, Marikina City. Do you know the name Bosay Resort comes from the Waray word Bosay, which means waterfalls. Oh, finally, we're here! Bosay Resort has many different swimming pools. Like any waterfall, chills the body, allowing one to temporarily forget about their worries. As you can see, there are many options of the cottages that you can choose. Are you excited to see the pool area? Let's go! Anyone can completely enjoy swimming at Bosay Resort because it is designed in a one-of-a-kind landscape setting surrounded by nature, with living trees carrying out fresh air as you breathe. We had different delicious foods like chicken, hot dog, buttered shrimp, and more. Let's walk around and take a look at different pools here in Bosay Resort. There's a kiddie pool. There's also a mushroom kiddie pool and a mushroom cottage.
Hoy, Jen! Excited kasi pag naisip mo pa yung bata. Hindi ka nag-iisip.
This is an Olympic pool where you can only wear swimming outfits. The wonderful sound of the birds as they soared will stimulate your senses for seventh heaven calm, while the karaoke will satisfy your need for entertainment during festivities. Of course, we didn't forget to greet him a happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow.
And after a few hours, we're finally going home. a day well spent. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.